this one is gonna be tough. I don't know if I can make it. Check this out. Actually, maybe. Wow. I can't believe what I just did. I just turned on off-road assist. This should be able to handle the road much better. And it's now raining. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna tackle this. This ice here is super hot and it's kind of high. Going to put on snow chain before it gets too bad. The sun is out. You guys won't believe what I'm about to do. Jet boil is good for cooking food, but I think you can also do this. Woo. Nope. Oh my god, not a good idea. Okay, let me try again. I'm trying to use it as a torch, but if this doesn't work, I'll heat up some water and then try to melt this. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna boil some water and try to melt this down as much as possible. Now I just gotta wait. Okay, the car is about 6 to 7 inch tall, and I think I might be able to just go over it. Success! Assess damage. Everything looks fine. It's making a weird noise. Well, this is what the car is for, you know? Gotta take it out and be adventurous. The sun is going out pretty fast, but I'm out of energy. Getting stuck again. How fun. Oh boy. Oh. Okay guys, I finally made the decision to not go forward anymore. It's just no longer worth it. My car was literally going sideways multiple times in order to keep moving. It's just the wrong time of year. It's mid-April, almost May already. Yeah, if I keep moving forward, I'll just put myself in danger. This is way out of any nearby civilization. I haven't ate all day. Gonna eat something. And then in the morning, I'm gonna turn around and get the heck out of here. I'm really disappointed. I was really looking forward to hike the highest point of Ontario, but it looks like I have to come back another time. The smell of this is gotta be so strong. I hope the bears are still hibernating. These are the chicken that I didn't finish cooking from last time. The time that I made the mashed potato. No hiking for you guys this time, unfortunately. This was quite an adventure of its own. Now thinking back, gonna try to have a good rest tonight. Definitely no climate and sentry mode. Right now my battery is at 67%. Yeah, I don't want to take any risk. If you ever wonder how much headroom I have after the kitchen build, well, here's an exclusive look. It's definitely not a space to change, but it is perfect for sleeping. You'll probably get quite cold, so I'm layering up. Sleeping bag and then the blanket on top. Having some oatmeal this morning before heading out. I'm putting my tripod here and the snow shovel there to make sure that I don't pass the line. Otherwise I'll get into some pretty bad stuff. I'll be heading to BC once again. If you guys are down for hiking, shoot me a message and let's meet up. Let's go for an adventure. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.